Have you heard of Upwork.com? It's the biggest freelance marketplace out there, where freelancers are making money every month from the comfort of their own homes. From web development to graphic design to sales and marketing, you can find all kinds of talent on Upwork. And today, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Upwork with ChatGPT, even if you don't have any skills. So, the first thing you gotta do is join as a freelancer. Just click on I am a freelancer looking for work and hit apply as a freelancer. Once you're in, it's time to search for some logo design jobs. Type logo design into the Upwork search bar and bam! All the logo design jobs are here. Now, there are two types of jobs on Upwork, fixed price and hourly rate. For this method, we're only dealing with fixed price jobs, so make sure you select that option. Upwork will then show you all the fixed price jobs out there. Check it out, see all those projects with fixed prices. That's what we're talking about. Here, we've got a project that involves creating a variation of a logo for $200. Then there's another one with a budget of $68. And finally, there's a one-time task of creating a t-shirt logo that pays $175. Nice, right? Assuming we want to work on this project, creating a t-shirt logo. But before you start applying for any projects on Upwork, let me tell you from my own experience that within just 1 hour of a job posting, buyers get bombarded with over 20 proposals from freelancers. So, if you're new to Upwork and don't have any reviews or badges, it can be a bit of a challenge to stand out from the crowd. Always, look for jobs that were posted less than an hour ago, and make sure they're offering a budget of at least $100 and are open to entry-level or intermediate-level experience. You see, becoming an Upwork expert isn't just about the hours you work or the projects you complete, but also the feedback you get from your clients. Since we are new and don't have this, that's why always apply for entry or intermediate jobs. After that, you need to read the job description thoroughly to understand what clients want from a freelancer. This client mentions, I have a t-shirt business and need designs and other stuff done. If the price is right, I will hire. So, we've got a client who needs a logo for their t-shirt business and they don't want to pay more than $175 for it. But don't worry, we got this. We just need to come up with some logo ideas to make our first $175. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but I'm not a graphic designer, so how am I going to generate ideas for designing a logo? Don't be worried. That's where ChatGPT comes in handy. But hold up, sometimes clients need more than just a logo. They need help coming up with a name for their business too. And, of course, it's gotta be unique and have an available domain name. But no need to stress. Just hit up ChatGPT and use this prompt. The name must be unique as well as the domain must be available. And ChatGPT will provide us with all of the names including which domain is available for this name. And you ask for 20, 30, or even 50 names from ChatGPT. Here's what you gotta do, just copy these names and ask your client which one they like better. And if they pick one, use this next prompt, provide me 5 awesome logo ideas for my t-shirt business using this name. Let's say the name is Printwear Co. Now just see, ChatGPT comes up with 5 different logo ideas for that name. You might be thinking, okay, cool, I've got some concepts, but how do I make sure they match my client's vision? Don't worry, I will explain how. But before we get to that, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you're getting some value out of this. When it comes to logo design, there's another awesome platform you can use, Fiverr.com. It's like Upwork, but a little cheaper. And if you're looking for logo design services, Fiverr's got your back. They'll even ask you what kind of style you want. Do you want something minimalist, hand-drawn, vintage, or something else entirely? It's up to you. Okay, listen up. It's time to get your clients the logo of their dreams. First things first, choose the logo style they want. Then, it's time to customize your Fiverr search term. Start by setting a max budget of just $5, because we don't break the bank. Next up, only go for the top-rated level 2 sellers. Trust us, they know what they're doing. These guys know how to design a professional logo and can deliver high-quality work for cheap. That's why they've earned that shiny level 2 seller badge from Fiverr. Once you've finessed those search terms, Fiverr will do the rest and show you a bunch of logo design services that start at just $5 and are offered by the cream of the crop, Fiverr's top-rated or level 2 sellers. And let me tell you, these logos are straight up great quality. Click on a gig or two, scroll to the bottom, and boom! You'll find that sweet contact button. Check out this freelancer, they've got a 4.9 star rating from a whopping 647 reviews. That's seriously impressive and means they're a total boss at designing logos. Now all you gotta do is hit them up and give them your ideas for a logo. And hey, don't break the bank, tell him you've got a budget of $5 or $10. If he is cool with that, hire him and let him show his talent. Once they've sent you the finished product, it's time to make some serious cash. Just head over to Upwork.com and submit that slick new logo to your clients. And you just made a cool $165 without even lifting a finger or learning graphic design. So to make money using this method, you need to start looking for jobs with a budget of over $100. Then, use ChatGPT to get some killer logo ideas, and hire a cheap freelancer on Fiverr to do the work for you. Rinse and repeat, and pretty soon you'll achieve financial freedom. And you could totally boost your bank account by starting a logo design agency in your area. How cool is that? All you gotta do is create a logo design website that's as awesome as this one, and then team up with a freelancer who knows search engine optimization and get your site ranking high in your target location. And once your site starts climbing the ranks, you'll be making a lot of money in no time. It's a total game changer for anyone looking to make some extra cash without any special skills or even launch a career as a freelancer. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to Upwork.com and start making that money with ChatGPT today. And hey, if you want to keep up with more awesome tips and tricks on how to make money online, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.